Hello everybody, Molon here, and today we have 2018-19 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. Got a hobby box that we're going to open up here. Been trying to complete the set, so I've got another box coming, so maybe I can get the set out of that. I do want to apologize, I've been very ill lately. Give you an update on that once I know more, if you're interested, but let's just go ahead and start opening some packs and see what we can find. I'm getting in this box. There are 20 packs, 4 cards per pack, so should go fairly quickly once we get in there. Let's take from the top and start going. I don't know if I'm on camera really. Matt Zuccarello, Erik Karlsson, Christian Dvorak. It's like is this the rainbow? Oh, the Arctic Freeze. This is out of 79, so that's pretty cool. And then Ilya Semyonov, rookie. Pretty nice, I'll take it. Patrick Kane, Cholowski Rainbow Rookie, Daryl Sittler, and Valimaki Marquee Rookie Base. Matthew Barzal, Kyle Turris, oh, a rookie auto. That's pretty cool. Henrik Borgstrom from the Florida Panthers. It's a really cool looking card, a great looking signature too. And then Brett Hall hanging out on the back there. Let's take a look at this thing. This is number 9 of 10. Emerald Autos. Wow, Emerald Surge Auto. 9 of 10. That's really cool. Henrik Bergstrom. Awesome. I'm happy with that. Kyle Connor, Kuznetsov Retro, Noah Juleson, and Vinny Malkin. And we got Steven Stamkos, Riley Smith Retro, Brent Burns, ooh, and Robert Thomas. Excellent. I need this one. Hopefully I'll get an extra one so I don't have to keep one for the set. I can keep one out for my regular collection. Blake Wheeler, Mark Stone, Seth Jones Rainbow, Taro Teravainen. Jasper Bratt, Net Magnets for William Karlsson, Casey Milstat, Brilliant Rookie, or Marquee Rookie rather. I don't know why I call them Brilliant Rookies all the time. Anze Kopitar. Moving right along. Nolan Patrick, Jonathan Taves. We got a Jordan Eberle. This is a purple pixel, and then Ryan Donato. Yeah, violet pixel, not numbered, just regular. Still a cool looking card. Sebastian Aho. Mitch Marner Rainbow, that's cool. Pekka Rinne. And then Vestalainen Rookie again. Connor McDavid. Mike Hoffman. Ooh, Rasmus Dahlin. Pixel Rookie. That's cool. Again, that's not going to be Anthony Snelling, not going to be numbered, but it's still an awesome looking card. It's a good one for the collection. I'll take it. Landeskog, Pavel Buchnevich, Michael Rasmussen, Retro Rookie, Ryan Sutter. Charlie McAvoy, Craig Anderson Retro, Palmieri, and Batherson. Moving right along, Victor Arvidsson, Leon Draisaitl, David Krejci Rainbow, and Mikko Rantanen. Jack Eichel. We got a future now, Connor McDavid. It's kind of cool. Troy Terry. Chris Letang. Anders Lee. Dougie Hamilton. Yeah, Rainbow Hall. That's cool. Evan Bouchard, Marquee Rookie. And almost done. James Van Riemdykes, I can't talk. This is like a red, Warren Fogle red rookie. It's numbered out of 199. It's kind of cool. Hurricanes. Got Zorbel for the Bruins, and Corey Crawford. Vander Kane, PK Subban, Michael Rasmussen, Max Domi. Seth Jones. Oh, Carey Price Rainbow Rookie, or Rainbow Retro. That's cool. Like that. Kovalchuk, and then Anders Janssen. Tyler Johnson, Louis Erickson, in the action, Philippe Forsberg, and then Dominic Cahoon, brilliant rookie. Kind of cool. All right, a final pack in the 1819 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. We got Mitch Marner, Christian Dvorak, James Neal Retro, Josh Bailey. Nothing fancy, but I'll tell you what, that's pretty cool. That Violet Rasmus Dahlin. And then definitely this Henrik Bergstrom Emerald. I love that auto. It's really sweet looking. This is number 9 of 10, so I'm real happy with that one. It's going straight in the case, so. Alright, well thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.